Hey Max, it's Connie. All right, so my Loom video isn't working, so here's what you do. You go into the course where you want the exam to be copied. So we're going into O2, Settings, Import, and then you select the course where you're getting it from. Okay, so that's your REL 23601. Put the dot by it. This should all be familiar. Except on this page, rather than jump to the final step, you click Next. Usually I click None, and then I scroll all the way down to where that exam was. And then you need to click the name of the folder, and then the item you want. Now go Next. This is your confirmation screen. Perform import. And what will come in should be not only your exam. Why did you get two of them? I wasn't expecting that. I turn on the, unless you just did this. That'd be funny. There's no questions in that one. Okay. The one that I would have just done would have been this one. And this one has your questions in it. All right. So I think, I'm not sure what that one is. I'm going to hide it for now. But what I think you should do is I think you should delete this one because there's no questions in it. All right. What happens is the one that has, when you import it the way I just did, then what happens is the questions not only are here in your exam. If we go to Edit Quiz, you've got all the questions, your 50 questions, but those questions are also going to be in your question bank, wherever you had loaded them. Probably. Maybe did you load in this one? Yeah, you loaded in this. REL 23601 with 52, and maybe you pulled in 50 questions. I'm not sure. But anyway, just want to let you know that's how it's done. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.